Hello everyone. The topic angles and arc length of class 11th trigonometry. The question for today is the moon's distance from the earth. So first of all, it's always better अगर हम एक rough diagram से try करें. So this is, let's say, a moon. Here is earth. Is 3600 kilometers. So let's say, okay, the diameter subtends an angle of 31. What this unit is called is minute, which conversion means 1 degree is equals to 31 minutes. So minutes can be converted to degrees. 31 minute का है, but diameter subtends. So moon का diameter क्या होगा? Let us name it AB with center O. Diameter subtends an angle of 31 minutes at the eye of observer. Observer अब moon पर तो होगा नहीं. Observer will be on earth, and this is how the diagram will go. Here the observer is standing and the angle subtended by the diameter to the observer is 31 minutes. So this is theta given here. Find the diameter of the moon. So the first target is to convert theta into radians, but before that theta should be converted into degrees from minutes. So 31 minutes should be equal to 31 by 60 degrees. Then 31 by 60 degrees into radians multiplying by pi by 180 radians. I am leaving theta as it is, no more calculations. Now, where is the radius in the given question? So in this question, this AC or BC work as radius. The distance between moon and observer will act as radius because the angle mentioned is this, and arc length that we need to find will be this, AB, the diameter of the moon. So here AB work as arc length, which is S. The formula of finding this is theta equal to S upon R. Theta should be in radians, which we have already found. 31 upon 60 into pi by 180 equal to S. S is AB, like I said, diameter of the moon, and R is distance between them, which is 3,60,000 kilometers. So now we have to just find the value of AB. 360000 into 31 into pi 60 into 180. Pi we will take 22 by 7 because it is not mentioned in the question. So by default always we will take 22 by 7. And so first of all let us cancel. Putting pi as 22 by 7, we will get AB, which is the required diameter. We have 3247.6 kilometers. The diameter of the moon is this, the required answer. Now, I guess you still have a doubt. First of all, because you have not seen the previous video, what is arc length here is? Arc length is basically the length of the circumference, where we have the radius and this is theta. Comparing to the previous question, and in this case theta is S upon R, जो हमने अपने actual question में formula use किया है. But here you might be thinking AB तो arc length नहीं है. Consider the cases, theta वो angle है जो radius के बीच में lie करता है. Radii are acting as arms of the angle. So here if this is theta, these are supposed to be the radius. And radius का जहाँ पर end point है, this length is the arc length. So radius का end points यहाँ पर है and this is going to be the arc length. And so we have found by using the formulas. I hope we have understood. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.